Welcome to our tutorial on the SolidWorks Motor PropertyManager. Today we'll explore how to effectively use motors in your motion studies to simulate real-world mechanical movements. The Motor PropertyManager in SolidWorks is a powerful tool that allows you to move components in an assembly by simulating various types of motors. To open the Motor PropertyManager, simply click on the motor icon in the Motion Manager toolbar when you're in an assembly. There are several types of motors you can choose from. Rotary motors for circular motion, linear motors or actuators for straight-line movement, and path-mate motors, exclusive to motion analysis, for complex path-driven movements. Setting up a motor involves selecting the motor type, defining the direction of motion, and specifying parameters like speed, displacement, and duration. For instance, you can set a constant speed motor or an oscillating motor profile depending on your needs. A few key points to remember. Motors move components in a selected direction and are not influenced by the size or mass of the component. Also, ensure not to add more than one motor of the same type to a single component. With the Motor PropertyManager, your motion studies will come to life, simulating realistic mechanical movements. Experiment with different settings to see how they affect your assembly's motion.